went back to using Lynn. This is the Lynn that I was prescribed by the doctor. So now my skin is healing. Can you see? It's kind of healing, but it's dry as fuck. So to God, I think my Anua, I mostly just use it when I'm with you guys because it's almost over and the girl is broke. So I don't use it often, as often as I'd like to use it. Today is a very long day ahead. My friends are coming over for breakfast, so we're gonna cook some mandazis, and then I'm gonna run some errands, and then we're gonna do some cleaning. Yeah, just like general day stuff today. It's a Friday actually, but we don't have to go to school because it's holidays. I have work starting on Monday, so we don't have to go to school. I'll be home. I'll be working for Monday. Yeah, I feel like I said that. It's nail losing. Please heal my skin. Anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to give you like a quick recap of what's gonna happen in this video. We're just gonna be very busy, and then we're gonna bake, and then we're gonna cook some mandazis, and then we're just gonna have fun. So welcome to my channel. Yay! And this was my body. Fuck. I'll be back.
Baking powder, 6 tablespoons of sugar. Now the amount of sugar is up to you. And then to this I'll add...
Back home, when I wanted mandazi, I would just like go outside, and there was always a woman selling mandazis outside. And it just cost me like 5 shillings or 10 shillings to get like fresh mandazis in the morning. So today I woke up craving mandazi, and I was like, yeah, let's just make some. But it's no fun eating mandazi or eating any food alone. Food is always better when it's shared with friends. So I invited a couple of my girls over to come today. So we're having breakfast today, just some mandazi and chai, just like back home. This reminds me so much of being back home actually.
Oh, is that today?
Appreciate you letting Nikki stay here while she gets a job, finds her own place. Nikki,
Let's say hello.
well, I suppose. It's classless.
Who doesn't want a free t-shirt? We used to give away all the time at the Olive Garden.
This is not the only
Are you out of your... What's that?
Stuart fine forever.
A friend of mine had some majani from back home, so we made fresh tea. And then there's one friend of mine who didn't want tea, so she's having juice for breakfast.
Mbeba kiti yako kuja huku.
Sikukuja na kiti.
Fala bam. Nyamsha mtoto kiti. Mbona kupeke kimoja?
Yeye wengine amepanga vitu juu.
오늘 밤 나와 둘둘주 심장이 쿵 떨려와 조금 더 가까이 둘둘주
It's too small.
밤하늘 가득 채운 저 별들도
My legs are big.
유난히 우리 비추고 있잖아 망설이지 마 둘둘주 달콤한 그 입술로 부드럽게 나와 둘둘주 I'm falling 순간 모든 것이 멈췄으면 우리 둘만 Oh baby you are my shining star 그대만 보여요 그대만 들려요 Baby you are my everything 그대만 느껴요 다시 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 눈은 뜨지 마요 그대 달콤한
Time for us common folk.
Yeah, you don't have a gala at Lane Manor with Commissioner Gordon?
Yeah, knock it off. Look, I know we've been a little busy, but there's nobody more important to me than you guys. Charles, see ya.
This is my second attempt to making red velvet cake. The first time I tried to make it was during, how is it called, Valentine's, yeah. And then I added cocoa inside and it turned dark. It turned more like chocolatey than dark, so I thought maybe it was the cocoa that made it like chocolate cake instead of red velvet. So today I decided let's not put the cocoa inside, let's just do the red velvet dye that I got from Edeka, but apparently it was not the the cocoa. This food color is just no, it's not doing what a red food color should do. So I'm gonna order some food color from Amazon and then try to make a red velvet again. For now we are gonna turn this into a strawberry love heart cupcakes and they're gonna be so pretty. Trust me, I've already tasted them.
Marry yourself. Yeah, we get it, Stuart. You spent a semester abroad.
We know
The reason we have done is to put these points yourself.
I do not know when was the last time this fridge was ever cleaned. I don't think if it has even ever been cleaned since it was bought. So it had this huge block of ice in the back and the refrigerator was like, the freezer was full of ice, so we had like very limited space. We decided to like turn it off and clean up the entire fridge. This took a lot of work, but I'm so happy that we did it.
เสน่ห์ละมาก
พี่เฟื่องกลับก่อนเลยนะครับผมมีงานต้องทำต่อครับ
ลมเขาไม่เหมือนเดิมไอ้เฮียเขาหลบหน้าผมไอ้เฟื่องมัน